हेलो स्टूडेंट। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन फॉर यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन में। तो इस वीडियो में जो चैप्टर 1 हम हिस्ट्री एंड फाउंडेशन ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन के ऑब्जेक्टिव जो क्वेश्चन है 150 क्वेश्चन टोटल हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है दैट इज अ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन आपके लिए फॉर यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन 2021 के लिए। तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विश्वविद्यालय वाज पॉपुलर फॉर आर्चरी ट्रेनिंग इन इंडिया? ए नालंदा, बी शांति निकेतन, सी तक्षशिला एंड डी मगध। जो राइट आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का दैट इज सी तक्षशिला। सेकंड है फिजिकल एजुकेशन इज ए फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ एवरी सिटीजन इज ए पार्ट ऑफ विच चार्टर? ए यूनेस्को, बी WHO, सी UNO, डी UGC। राइट आंसर इज ए यूनेस्को। Third, identify the correct order in which the following Olympics were held. A. Sydney, Athens, Beijing. B. Seoul, Moscow, Los Angeles. C. Moscow, Los Angeles, Montreal. D. Atlanta, Barcelona, Montreal. Right answer is A. Sydney, Athens, Beijing. Fourth, identify the correct order of top 3 medal winning countries in Beijing Olympics. A. China, America, United Russia. B. China, Korea, England. C. USA, China, USSR. D. China, Russia, Australia. Right answer is A. China, America, United Russia. Fifth, the boycott of Olympic Games due to political compulsions were 1. Montreal Olympics, 2. Berlin Olympics, 3rd Moscow Olympics, 4th Rome Olympics. Find the correct combination. A 1 2, B 3 4, C 1 3, D 2 4. Right answer is 1 and 3. 6. Promoting feelings of spirit the corps through games and sports means A. Friendship, B. Cooperation, C. Honesty, and D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. 7. St. John Ambulance Association deals with A. Health education, B. Physical education, C. Medical education, D. First aid. Right answer is D. First aid. 8th, which company was the official timekeeper of the Beijing Olympics 2008? A. Casio, B. Swatch, C. Omega, D. Seikyo. Right answer is C. Omega. Question 9. Who was the first recorded winner of Asian Olympics? A. Correbos, B. Hira, C. Epios, D. Coubertin. Right answer is A. Kobios. Question number 10. Name of the stadium in which the first modern Olympics games were held in 1896. A. Panathenaic, B. Danskilinium, C. Amphitheater, D. Coliseum. And right answer is A. pen authentic. Question number 11. What does the rings in Olympics flag indicate? A. Colors, B. Rivers, C. Countries, D. Continents. Right answer D. Continents. Question 12. Gladiator sports was the most popular pastime of the people of A. Athens, B. Sparta, C. Ayodhya, D. Rome. Right answer D. Rome. Question 13. Identify the correct sequence of Olympic sites from earlier to later. A. Atlanta, Barcelona, Seoul, Sydney. B. Seoul, Barcelona, Atlanta, Sydney. C. Barcelona, Seoul, Atlanta, Sydney. D. Atlanta, Seoul, Barcelona, Sydney. Right answer is B. Seoul, Barcelona, Atlanta, Sydney. Question 14. Which event was the first and the original event for Olympics? A. Boxing, B. Foot race, C. Chariot race, D. Wrestling. C. Chariot race. 15. Identify the sequential stages of human growth from early to lateral stages. A. Infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood. B. Childhood, infancy, adolescence, adulthood. C. Adolescence, adulthood, infancy, childhood. D. Adulthood, adolescence, childhood, infancy. Right answer is A. Infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Right answer is A. 16. Which of the following philosophy of physical education is also known as experimentations? A. Existentialism, B. Realism, C. Pragmatism, D. Eclecticism. And the right answer is C. Pragmatism. 17. The chief objective of the philosophy of idealism is to seek A. Perfection of man in body, mind and spirit. B. Truth, beauty and godness. C. Man's self-actualization. D. Blending aestheticism and athleticism in the right proportion. Right answer is B. Truth, beauty and godness. 18. Select the correct option. Somatotyping profile of 441 is considered as A. Endomorph, mesomorph, B. Endomorphic, mesomorph, C. Balanced, mesomorph, D. Mesomorphic, endomorph. Right answer is A. Endomorph, mesomorph. Question 19. John Dewey propounding the philosophy of A. Pragmatism, D. Naturalism, C. Idealism, D. Humanism. The right answer is Pragmatism, A. Question 20. The 5 interlinked rings of 5 different colors of the Olympic flag reflects A. Unity of the world, brotherhood of mankind, C. International cooperation, D. Globalization. A. Unity of the world. Question 21. An ectomorph individual has a thin and slender frame, B. Bulky and stocky body, C. Muscular and athletic frame. D. Body beautiful image. A is the right answer. Thin and slender frame. Question 22. Traditional schools of philosophy include 1. Naturalism, 2. Progressivism, 3rd. Pragmatism, 4th. Realism. Find the correct combination. A. 1, 2, 3, B. 2, 3, 4, C. 3, 4, 1, D. 4, 1, 2. Right answer is C. 3, 4, 1. 3. Pragmatism, 4. Realism, 1. Naturalism. 23 question. Gymnastics was most popular in A. Scandinavia, B. Japan, C. Germany, D. Sparta. Right answer is D. Sparta. Question number 24. Who was the first person to receive Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? A. Vishwanathan Anand, B. Sachin Tendulkar, C. P.T. Usha, D. Baichung Bhutia. Correct answer is A. Vishwanathan Anand. Question number 25. Man's most important socialization process is social courtesy, social visits, social understanding, social interaction. Right answer is D. Social interaction. Question 26. The Olympic motto "Cities Always Forties" was coined by A. Perennier de Coubertin, D. Father Henry Didon, C. Juan Antino Samrach, D. Suresh Kalmadi. Right answer is B. Father Henry Didon. Question number 27. Which of the following is not banned by International Olympic Committee? A. Cocaine, B. Marijuana, C. Amphetamine, D. Alcohol. The right answer is C. Amphetamine. Question 28. The Greek philosopher known as the father of philosophy of idealism was A. Aristotle, B. Plato, C. Rousseau, D. Darwin. Right answer is B. Plato. Question number 29. International Olympic Committee was formed in A. 1894, B. 1896, C. 1776 BC, D. 1952. Right answer is 1894. Question number 30. Identify the sequential order of the color of 5 rings of the Olympic flag. A. Blue, black, yellow, green, red. B. Green, blue, yellow, black, red. C. Blue, yellow, black, green, red. D. Yellow, black, blue, green, red. Right answer is A. Blue, black, yellow, green, red. Question number 31. Select the correct sequence of chronology of under mentioned Olympic Games. A. Mexico, Munich, Montreal, Moscow. B. Moscow, Mexico, Munich, Montreal. C. Munich, Montreal, Moscow, Mexico. D. Montreal, Moscow, Mexico, Munich. The right answer is A. Mexico, Munich, Montreal, Moscow. Question number 32. The marathon race is named after an place, B. event, C. person, D. battle. A. place. जो प्लेस के नाम पे ये मैराथन रेस रखी गई थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, economics are being attracted towards sports these days due to A. Cutthroat competition, B. Media publicity, C. Growth of sports industry, D. High stake on athletes. So correct answer is C. Growth of sports industries. Question 34. Who opened the first Olympic of modern Iran? A. Perede Coubertin, B. King George, C. Georgios Avarov, D. Prince Constantine. Right answer is B. King George. Question number 35. The fastest period of growth in human beings is A. Childhood, B. Adolescence, C. Infancy, D. Puberty. Right answer is childhood, A. 36. What makes the foundation of physical education strong? A. Scientific fact, B. Philosophical concepts, C. Cultural traditions, D. Social practices. Correct answer is A. Scientific facts. 37. The Olympic Games is a legacy of the Golden Path civilization of A. Greek, B. Rome, C. France, D. Germany. Correct answer is A. Greek. 38. The term athlete originated in A. France, B. Sparta, C. Rome, D. Athens. Correct answer is C. Rome. Question number 39. The Olympic Games in 2008 was held at A. Athens, B. Barcelona, C. Beijing, D. New Delhi. Correct answer is C. Beijing. 40. Accelerated physical growth is the result of biochemical change, hormonal change, C. Metabolic change, or D. all of the above. D is the right answer, all of the above. 41. The knowledge of age and sex differences is important. A. To structure physical activities program, B. to organize physical activities program, C. to consider social factors, D. all of the above. Right answer is D. all of the above. 42. Agoge in ancient Greece means A. formal system of education, B. informal system of education, C. reading, writing, playing, or D. all of the above. Right answer is A. formal system of education. 43. According to what type of age are children admitted to school? A. mental age, anatomical age, C. chronicle age, or D. physiological age. Right answer is C. chronicle age. 44. Select the chronological sequence of Olympic Games held in different cities. A. Rome, London, Melbourne, Helsinki, B. London, Helsinki, Melbourne, Rome, C. Helsinki, Melbourne, Rome, London, D. Melbourne, Rome, London, Helsinki. Correct answer is B. London, Helsinki, Melbourne, Rome. Question 45. International body that tries to keep sports away from politics is A. Sports Federation, B. United Nations, C. UNESCO, D. IOC. Right answer is D. IOC. Question number 46. Dronacharya Award is given to best player, B. successful coach, C. eminent organizer, D. eminent physical education teacher. Right answer is B. successful coach. Question number 47. Which of the following places does not have a sports college? A. Karnataka, B. Jalandhar, C. Bangalore, D. Lucknow. It's C. Bangalore. 48. First meeting of International Olympic Committee was held in A. Athens, B. France, C. Sweden, D. Greece. Correct answer is B. France. 49. The most effective way of getting good result through physical exercises is to A. assist of sustained practices, try new combination, C. introduce variety in teaching style, D. eliminate boring elements. Right answer is A. assist on a sustained practice. Question 50. Identify the sequential order of country where Commonwealth Games were held from later to earlier. A. UK, Malaysia, Canada, New Zealand. B. Canada, UK, New Zealand, Malaysia. C. Malaysia, Canada, UK, New Zealand. D. New Zealand, Malaysia, Canada, UK. Right answer is A. UK, Malaysia, Canada, New Zealand. Question 51. Identify the correct sequence of Olympic cities from earlier to later. A. Atlanta, Barcelona, Seoul, Sydney. B. Seoul, Barcelona, Atlanta, Sydney. C. Barcelona, Seoul, Atlanta, Sydney. D. Atlanta, Seoul, Barcelona, Sydney. Right answer is B. Seoul, Barcelona, Atlanta, Sydney. 52. Man became a Homo sapien animal because he developed a high brain, an upright posture, a solid setup. D. a superior nervous system. 52 का A. high brain is the right answer. 53. Which of the following athletes qualified for finals in different track and field events in Olympics game? A. Milkha Singh, D. Shri Ram Singh, C. PT Usha, D. all of the above. D. all of the above. 54. First Asian Games were held at A. New Delhi, B. Bangkok, C. Lahore, D. Beijing. Right answer is New Delhi, A. 55. The Olympic motto Altius means A. higher, B. faster, C. stronger, D. all of the above. A is the right answer, higher. 56. The body which control Asian Games is A. IOA, B. IOC, C. OCA, D. AAA. C. OCA is the right answer. Question 57. Earlier question, that is कि 2016 ओलंपिक्स कहाँ, यहाँ करेक्शंस है, विल बी की जगह कहाँ हेल्ड हुई थी. ये करेक्शन है यहाँ पे कि ए न्यूयॉर्क, बी एथेंस, सी सियोल और रियो डे जेनेरो. राइट आंसर इज रियो डे जेनेरो में 2016 ओलंपिक्स गेम हुई थी. 58. The aim of Spartan education was to produce A. intellectual, B. Good citizen, C. Warrior, or D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. Warrior. 59. When was the Arjuna Award instituted? A. 1959, 1961, C. 1963, D. 1965. Right answer is B. 1961. 60. What kind of body is All India Council of Sports? A. Voluntary organization, B. An elective body, C. Saturated body, D. Nominated body. Right answer is D. A nominated body. Question 61. Social contact theory of play was postulated by A. Patrick, G. Stanley Hall, C. Bernard S. Mason, D. Lemley. Right answer is D. Lemley. 62. The Olympic Games were revived with the sole objective of A. Promoting games and sports among the masses, B. Creating amity, understanding and brotherhood among nations, C. Giving a new looks to Asian sports, D. Making children and youth more skillful. Right answer is B. Creating amity, understanding and brotherhood among nations. 63. In which country did folk schools bring about revolution in physical education? A. Sweden, B. Denmark, C. Norway, D. Netherlands. Right answer is D. Netherlands. Question 64. Identify the correct sequence order for the President of Indian Olympic Association from earlier to later. A. Shri V.C. Shukla, Shri Shivananthi Adyan, Shri Raja Balinder Singh, Shri Suresh Kalmadi. B. Shri Raja Balinder Singh, Shri V.C. Shukla, Shri Shivananthi Adyan, Shri Suresh Kalmadi. C. Shri Shivananthi Adyan, Shri Raja Balinder Singh, Shri V.C. Shukla, Shri Suresh Kalmadi. D. Shri Raja Balinder Singh, Shri Shivananthi Adyan, Shri V.C. Shukla, Shri Suresh Kalmadi. Right answer is B. Shri Raja Balinder Singh, Shri V.C. Shukla, Shri Shivananthi Adyan, Shri Suresh Kalmadi. 64. Sports Development Commission of Indian Olympic Association is headed by A. Professor Vijay Kumar Malhotra, B. Professor Karan Singh, C. Shri Shivananthi Adyan, D. Brigadier K.P. Singh Deol. Right answer is D. Brigadier K.P. Singh Deol. 66. Indian Olympic Association is elected by A. National Federation, B. State Olympic Associations, C. Both of the above, D. None of the above. C. Both of the above, National Federation and State Olympic Associations. 67. In which year first time gold, silver and bronze medal were introduced in Olympic Games? A. 1900 में, B. 1904 में, C. 1896 में, D. 1908 में. राइट आंसर इज B. 1904 1904 में पहली बार गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड ब्रॉन्ज मेडल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया. 68. Man's social inheritance is primarily reflected in A. Religious rites and rituals, B. Education and ethics, C. Social institutions and organizations, D. Traditions and customs. Right answer is D. Traditions and customs. 69. The first All India Sports Congress was held A. 1986, B. 1963, C. 1962, D. 1964. Right answer is C. 1962. 70. NIS was established in A. 1957, B. 1961, C. 1962, D. 1964. Right answer is B. 1961. 71. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Anatomical age hyphen classification of bone, B. Physiological age hyphen intelligence test, C. Mental age hyphen secondary sexual characteristics, D. Chronological age hyphen calendar years. Right answer is D. Chronological age hyphen calendar year. 72. Who is the symbolic of the rise of physical education in Sweden? A. Per Henrik Jing, B. V. A. Blank, C. Franz Nagel, D. Species. Right answer is A. Per Henrik Jing. 73. All-round development of personality includes A. Physical and mental development, B. Social and emotional development, C. Moral and spiritual development, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 74. The Olympic movement in India was initiated by A. Professor G.D. Sondhi, B. Shri Dorabji Tata, C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Maharaja Yadavendra Singh. Right answer is B. Shri Dorabji Tata. Question number 75. Word athletic means A. The strong individual, B. Contestant, C. The winner, D. The slave. Right answer for 75 question is B. The contestant. 76. Exercise and growth are closely related for A. Quantitative growth, B. Qualitative development, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Quantitative growth. 75. Socialization is the process of coming together and making adjustment for doing work and discharging the responsibility of the society. The quotation referred to A. Bogardus, B. Aristotle, C. Plato, D. Numaymar. Right answer is A. Bogardus. 78. In which of the following Asian civilization the gladiators combats were popular? A. Greek, B. Roman, C. Indus, D. Egyptian. Right answer is B. Roman. 79. Sound mind in sound body was propounded by A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. John Dewey, D. Pavlov. Right answer is A. Plato. 80. Seeking of truth, beauty and godness is the aim of A. Pragmatism, B. Naturalism, C. Realism, D. Idealism. Right answer is D. Idealism. 81. Wholesome development of a child is the A. Goal of physical education, B. Objective of physical education, C. aim of physical education? D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. 82. Which day is celebrated as Sports Day of India? A, 29 August, 26 January, C, 15 August, D, 22 August. Right answer is A, 29 August. 83. In the Olympic events, the gold medal awarded for the first place has the following ratio of gold: A, silver gilt with 8 grams of fine gold, B, silver gilt with 7 grams of fine gold, C, silver gilt with 6 grams of fine gold, D, silver gilt with 10 grams of fine gold. Right answer is C, silver gilt with 6 grams of fine gold. 84. Name the first principal of YMCA College of Physical Education, Madras, Chennai. A, P.M. Joseph, B, H.C. Buck, C, G.D. Sondhi, D, A.K. Singh. Right answer is B, H.C. Buck. 85. All India Council of Sports was formed in A, 1954, B, 1953, 1952, 1951. Right answer is A, 1954. 86. The first member of International Olympic Committee from India was A, J.D. Sondhi, B, Raja Balinder Singh, C, Sir Dorabji Tata, D, P.M. Joseph. Right answer is C, Sir Dorabji Tata. 87. The National Plan of Physical Education was published by Government of India in A, 1956, B, 1958, C, 1960, D, 1962. Right answer is A, 1956. 88. Relaxants such as alcohol and beta blockers are most often used as a performance enhancer by adult athletes in sports such as A, archery, B, wrestling, C, swimming, D, bowling. Right answer is A, archery. 89. What creates physical differences among people? A, heredity, B, climatic condition, C, birthplace, D, ethnic background. Right answer is A, heredity. 90. According to Gordon Allport, only few people possess A, Cardian traits, B, secondary traits, C, source traits, D, none of these traits. Right answer is A, cardinal traits. 91. What is yogic exercise? A, dynamic exercise, B, static stretch, C, A and B both, D, B is correct but A is wrong. C is the correct answer. A and B both, dynamic and static. A and B is the right answer in C, that is A and both. 92. Again correction, that is 2014 Commonwealth Games कहाँ पे हुई थी? That is not will be, that is कहाँ हुई थी? A, China, B, Lahore, C, New Delhi, D, Glasgow. Right answer is D, Glasgow. 93. The new look at the objectives of physical education suggests A, cognitive domain, B, psychomotor domain, C, affective domain, D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. 94. Pycnic is one of the body types as classified by A. Sheldon, B. Kretschmer, C. Butcher, D. Thorndike. Right answer is B. Kretschmer. 95. The author of great epics Iliad and Odyssey was A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. Homer, D. Descartes. Right answer is C. Homer. 96. Select the correct option. Modern concept of physical education was started A. after 1920, B. after 1957, C. in the last decade of 20th century, and D. after 1960. Right answer is after 57. 97. 30th एशियन गेम्स कहाँ हुई थी? अगेन करेक्शन, दैट इज नॉट विल बी, दैट इज कहाँ हुई थी, वाज। ए. न्यू दिल्ली, बी. बैंकॉक, सी. टोक्यो, डी. कराची। राइट आंसर इज बैंकॉक। जो 13वीं एशियन गेम्स बैंकॉक में हुई थी। 98. हाईएस्ट स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड इज इन इंडिया पद्म श्री, पद्म विभूषण, अर्जुन अवार्डी और द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड। इट्स सी, अर्जुन अवार्डी। 99. Coliseum, the main site for public games, was situated in A. Rome, B. China, C. India, D. Athens. Right answer is A. Rome. Question number 100. The Asian Olympic Games were started in the year A. 77 BC, 77-5 BC, 70-86 BC, 87-6 BC. Right answer is A. 77-6 BC. Question number 101. The body which control participation of India in Olympic Games is A. SAI SAI, B. IOA, C. IOC, D. AAFI. Right answer is B. IOA. 102. In which of the following years Olympics was not organized? A. 1944, 1948, 1952, 1956. A is the right answer, 1944. 103. Which of the following somatotypes has not been mentioned by Sheldon? A. Ectomorph, B. Endomorph, C. Homomorph, D. Mesomorph. Right answer is C. Homomorph. 104. Certification of the officials for various games and sports is done by A. National Sports Association, B. National Institute of Sports, C. Indian Olympic Association, D. Sports Authority of India. Right answer is A. National Sports Association. 105. Which country hosted the first Special Olympics? Right answer is B. USA. 106. In Russian terminology, physical education is better known as A. Kinesiology, B. Physical culture, C. Movement education, D. Physical training. Right answer is B. Physical culture. 107. The physical classification of personality in terms of picnic, athletic and aesthetic are given by A. Sheldon, B. Kretschmer, C. Hall, D. Nakrati. Right answer is B. Kretschmer. 108. In ancient Olympics, events were conducted for total A. 6 days, B. 4 days, C. 5 days, D. 7 days. Right answer is C. 5 days. 109. The theory of naturalism was given by A. Rousseau, B. Plato, C. Socrates, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Rousseau. Question number 110. The individual learns through experiences is a thought reflect in A. Idealism, B. Pragmatism, C. Naturalism, D. Realism. और इसका जो 110 क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है B. Pragmatism. 111. The YMCA College Madras was founded in A. 1930, B. 1920, 1940, 1910. Right answer is 1920B. 112. India participate in Olympic Games for the first time A. 1900, B. 1896, 1904, 1924. Right answer is A. 1900. 113. The surplus energy theory was given by A. Pavlov, B. Freud, C. Herbert Spencer, D. Spearman. Right answer is C. Herbert Spencer. 114. Physical education is the sum of those experience which comes to an individual through movements is stated by J.B. Nash, R. Casti, D. Albert Uffer, D. G. Albert. Right answer is C. D. Albert Uffer. Question number 115. Recreational theory was given by A. Stanley, G.T.W. Patrick, C. Aristotle, D. Karl Grosse. Right answer is B. G.T.W. Patrick. 116. Play is considered as A. Work, B. Part-time activity, C. Business, D. Aimless activity. Right answer is A. Work. 117. The programs that provide knowledge about health and hygiene as well as provide knowledge about nature and environment, sociological principles, biological principles and psychological principles of physical education are called as A. Intramural program, B. Extramural program, C. Service program, D. None of the above. C. Service program. 118. Sichel and Spencer are associated with one of the following theory of play: A. Anticipation, B. Surplus energy, C. Recapitulation, D. Recreation. Right answer is B. Surplus energy. 119. Recreation movement in India was started by A. D. Mello, B. G.D. Sondhi, C. H.C. Buck, D. Vaidya brothers. Right answer is A. D. Mello. 120. According to the German concept of physical education, the mother of all games and sports is swimming, gymnastic, athletics, or D. combative? Right answer is B. gymnastics. 1-1. The new policy of education was tabled in the parliament in 1984, 85, 86 or 87. Right answer is 86. 1-2. Atlas of Man, which describes the body types, was written by A. Heath, B. Carter, C. Kretschmer, D. Sheldon. Right answer is D. Sheldon. 1-3. National Cadet Corps was started in A. 1948, 1949, 1950, 1952. Right answer is C. 1950. 1-4. In comparison to the Greeks, the Romans were more A. authoritarian, B. utilitarian, C. democrat, D. aristocrat. It's A. authoritarian. 1-5. Which theory of plays maintains that past is the key to play? A. inheritance or recapitulation theory, B. instincts or growth theory, C. self-expression theory, D. recreation theory. Right answer is A. inheritance or recapitulation theory. Question number 1-6. Which of the following is considered as the backbone of the physical education program? A. public relations, B. supervision, C. leadership, D. competitiveness. C. leadership. 1-7. Who was the first person to analyze and describe the complex process of walking? A. Aristotle, B. Hippocrates, C. Archimedes, D. Galen. Right answer is A. Aristotle. Question 1-8. Which of the following activities is considered as the most effective means of disciplining the bodily movement? A. play, B. gymnastics, C. drill, D. games. Right answer is C. drills. 1-9. Who amongst the following are found to be the most agile? A. athletes, B. gymnasts, C. swimmers, or D. archers. Right answer is B. gymnast. 1-3. The literal meaning of the word philosophy is A. love of criticism, love of wisdom, C. love of knowledge, D. love of God. Right answer is B. love of wisdom. 1-31. Which of the following terms denotes the toughing a body as its major objective? A. physical culture, B. play, C. drill, D. physical training. Right answer is D. physical training. 1-3. Didascalium and Palestra were famous in A. Sparta, B. Athens, C. Rome, D. Sweden. Right answer is B. Athens. 1-3. Gymnastics and music were considered the most important subject in A. Rome, B. Greece, C. Germany, D. Russia. Right answer is B. Greece. 1-3. Which of the following is a Kretschmer's body classification? A. ectomorph, B. mesomorph, D. endomorph, D. diaplastic. Right answer is D. diaplastic. 1-35. The founder of school gymnastics in Germany is A. Adolf Spiess, B. Per Hendrik Ling, C. Johann Bernhard Basedow, D. Götz Mutz. Right answer is A. Adolf Spiess. 1-36. When was Sports Authority of India formed? A 1983, 1984, 1986, 1987. Right answer is B 1984. 131. Physical activity is basically a social attribute, psychological tendency, biological necessity, philosophical concept. Right answer is C, biological necessity. 138. Which country hosted the first Youth Olympics? A China, B Singapore, C USA, D India. Correct answer is B Singapore. 139. How many entries per event are allowed in Olympics? A2, B3, C4, D5. That is 2. A is the right answer. 140. In which year were the Asian Olympic Games banned? In 396 AD, 394 AD, 296 AD, 334 AD. Right answer is B 394 AD. 141. In Athens, the boys were enrolled in cadet corps called A. Craptla, B. Amphibia, C. Padagia, D. Exlesia. Right answer is B. Amphibia. 142. In which year were the Winter Olympics Games held for the first time? A. 1923, 1924, 1925, 1926. Right answer is B 1924. 143. Who was the founder of Laichism or Idealism? A. Rousseau, B. Aristotle, C. Galen, D. Plato. Right answer is B. Aristotle. 144. In which year the national anthem of India was played for the first time in Olympics? A. 1948, 1952, 1928, 1932. Right answer is A. 1948. Question number 145. Which year did India first participate in Olympic swimming? A. 1928, 32, 1960, 1957. Right answer is B 1932. 146. In which year did B.P. Coubertin, father of modern Olympics, died? A. 1937, B. 1938, C. 1939, D. 1940. Right answer is A. 1937. Question number 147. What was Dhyan Chand's highest rank in the army? A. Major General, B. Lieutenant, C. Captain, D. Lance-Naik. Right answer is A. Major General. 148. At what position Dhyan Chand used to play? Center half, center forward, fullback, D. Goalkeeper. Right answer is B. Center forward. 149. The 5 rings of Olympic Games are arranged in the shape of A, W, B, N, C, M, D, X. Right answer is A, W. 150. Question number 150. How many Indian athletes participated in Paralympics 2012? A 12, B 10, C 14, D 16. Right answer is B 10. तो ये सारे थे 150 क्वेश्चन जो चैप्टर 1 में हमने आज डिस्कस किए हैं, हिस्ट्री और फाउंडेशन ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन के. So thank you very much for watching this video.